We're going to find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to y equals 0.25x minus 7, and that goes through the point 2, negative 3. Now, let's get a visual of what's going on. To graph this, we're going to graph what this looks like and then see what a line that looks like that's perpendicular to it. That'll go through 2, 3. Let's rewrite this as the 0.25x. We're going to change the 0.25 from decimal to fraction. So over here, 0.25 would be the same thing as 25 over 100. And 25 over 100, if I divide that by 25 and 25, becomes 1 over 4. So this can be replaced with 1 over 4. And fractions are easier to graph. Sometimes decimals are the easier thing to use in some math problems, but when it comes to graphing, fractions are best. So we want to go to negative 0, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's negative 7. We're going to put a point there. And that's our y-intercept from this. And then we'll go up 1 and over 4. So we're going over 4 times. And then up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see the line here that's being developed. All right, we'll call this line number 1. So this is the line they gave us. So what we're saying is that we want a new line that's going to be perpendicular to this one. So perpendicular will look like this. It'll hit it right at a perfect T. And that perpendicular line has got to go through the point 2, negative 3. Now, where's 2, negative 3? 2, negative 3 is located 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, right there. That is 2, negative 3. So we want a line that's going to be perpendicular to y1. It's got to go through this point. So it's going to be right about there. So we want an equation of a line that goes right about there. Okay. So let's find this new line that's got to go here. So to create that new line, we start the process. We need a slope and a point. Well, we already have a point. So it's 1 down. The slope that we have here belongs to y1. The slope of y1 is 1 over 4. But we want a perpendicular slope. We'll call that y2. To make a perpendicular slope, what you do is change the sign of the original slope. So that'll be negative. And you take the reciprocal. So instead of 1 over 4, it's going to be 4 over 1. And 4 over 1 will simplify. That'll simplify down to a negative 4. So our new slope that'll be perpendicular will be negative 4. All right, so we have our point and our slope. We're ready to make our new line. We'll call it number 2. So y equals mx plus b is the way we start. And the y comes from the negative 3 here. That's our y. Our m comes from this guy right here, negative 4. The x comes from this guy right here, which is the 2, plus b. All right, so what we have is a negative 4 times 2. That's a negative 8 plus b. Then to solve for b, we have to get rid of the negative 8. So I'm going to add 8 here, add 8 here, and we'll get 5 equals b. So now we'll say our equation number 2 is going to be a negative 4x plus 5. Where the negative 4 comes from the second slope and the 5 comes from the b here. And that's the new equation. And just to show you where that is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's there, 0, 5. And it's going to go down 4 over 1. So down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1. So it's going to look like this. And there's that perpendicular right there. And it goes right through that point. of 2, -3. So we did well.